Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking it out. Tonight we're going to go over, it's going to be kind of a short video. We're going to go over a sample pack from the Furry Hippie Beard Company. I went over a butter a few weeks back and it was absolutely amazing. So as promised, I said in the video I would do the sampler box that he also sent. A little bit about the company. The owner's name is Jason. He's actually a bearded villain from North Alabama. A percentage of all his money made goes to a foundation called Isaiah 4110. He lost his younger brother to a form of cancer called DIPG, which I can relate. I lost my mother to cancer a few years back, and it's a terrible, terrible thing. You never want to hear that. You never like hearing that. And especially when it's your family. So my prayers go out to you, my friend. Tonight we're going to go over the sample pack, and the box looks like that. Totally freaking awesome, awesome logo. I don't know if you guys remember the butter review went a little different on that video. I hope you guys enjoyed that too. Since this is a sample pack, I'm going to go ahead and read you the ingredients that's in the beard oil. The ingredients in the beard oil are jojoba, argan, sweet almond, pumpkin seed, and fragrance for scent, of course. The first one is natural, and of course with the natural you don't get any type of scent. With this, you can't smell anything. I'll go ahead and show you the consistency of this one. In all the bottles, they have the same consistency, so it's a nice golden tint to it. It's a little bit on the thinner side, but that's okay. This all goes well in my beard. It's not greasy or anything like that. All these scents I really enjoyed using. This one is called Groovy Grove. I couldn't see that. It's called Groovy Grove. This is an orange and vanilla, and out of the bottle you definitely get the orange first. The vanilla comes a little after when you warm it up. It's a really nice scent. It's got a lot of citrusy notes to it, being that it's an orange scented oil. So it's a really good smelling oil. All these, like I said, all these really smell good. This one is Wicked Grind, and this is his coffee. And this is a peppermint mocha with Wicked Grind. And this smells like a really good cup of coffee. And as I said, the same consistency, same nice gold hue to it. Yeah, that's got a nice scent to it. It just smells like a really good cup of coffee. This next one is called Hippie Mojo. And I hope you guys can see that. And the Hippie Mojo is incense and patchouli. And it smells exactly like that. But I think I get more of the incense rather than the incense and the patchouli. But there's nothing wrong with that because I actually burn incense up here in my studio. So I actually like the scent of that. The next one we have is Twig and Berries. And I thought that was a really great name. And the Twig and Berries is evergreen and wild berries. And this one you get that smell of the wild berries, but you also get that little bit of a greenery smell to it too. So it's a little bit of like a green berry smell, if that makes sense. It smells really good as well. And the last one, let's see, is the Old Man's Money, and this is actually the butter that I had. And the scents in this are bergamot, vanilla, and cedarwood. This was my favorite. You smell that vanilla and that bergamot, and that cedar comes in afterwards. It's almost a cologne scent. I want to say that it's like almost like a cologne type scent, and this was my favorite. The longevity of all these oils kind of varied on how much I'd put in. If I put like maybe like 2 grams full, I would get about 6 to 6.5 hours out of all of them. I think the Old Man's Money a little bit longer because I had the butter to go with it. But to get down to brass tacks, not non-greasy products. My beard is soft when I used them. They put a nice shine on my beard. They smell good. Like I said, they feel great in beard. I would definitely recommend you try the Furry Hippie Beard Company out. If you haven't, I'll link everything down in the description box below. I'd like to say thank you to Jason for sending out these products. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for sticking around for this review. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe. Big giveaway coming up here soon. Hopefully you guys get in on it. Maybe you can win something. There's gonna be giveaways. I'm gonna have one big giveaway that I made myself, and it's a big box full of man shit, basically. So I hope to see you guys in that live stream. Till the next review, guys. Peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.